In this episode, I'm going to get to plant out my onions. Now, they're going out in the ground because it's still quite warm, but we are due for about a week of rain, so it'll get them settled. Although it's warm, it is overcast and not too hot, so it's a perfect time to get them out. They shouldn't wilt so much. Anyway, that's coming right up after this. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is rotivate the areas that we want. Now this has previously been dug, so we rotivate it and then we need to get on to the next step. Okay folks, so as you can see here, I've rotivated this. It's only a rough rotivation just to break it up because the ground's already been previously dug. But what I have here is a granular onion feed, and this is made by a company called Growmore. So if you're looking for it, we may have it on our website, guys, so check that out. The link will be in the description below, and we've got a shop there now with lots of the fertilizers and stuff that we are currently using. So what we're going to do is just give this a good feed, and we'll work that in as we go. The whole row. Last one. There we go, guys. So that row is now had its feed. We'll work that in now with a little fork. And what we've done, because now at this site we haven't bothered build any raised beds yet, that will come over time, but as you know, we've had the sort of shed project which more is coming up on that, and again there'll be a link for that in the description below, or up here as well in the corner. And also the polytunnel rebuild, we've had to do that as well, so that'll be a link up here as well. Now what I've done here, I've created paths either side to allow to water and everything else, so I'm not trampling on the growing area. And we've just made little narrow beds because that's all we need for the onions. And all I'm doing is just forking this feed in, guys. It's nothing major. There we are. So that's all done there now. Next thing, we're now ready to start planting out these onions. Now these were put in sets quite a way ago, so all we've got to do is pop them out. And as you can see, we have a fantastic root system. So you should be able to make that out from back there, guys. And it's literally just a case of getting them in the ground about a foot apart. Give them room to grow, guys, okay? And we will water these in really well later on. The great thing about growing them in this way with the in a sort of module is that the birds can't come along and pull them out because they've pretty much grown at that point. And we just keep working down the line. Anything that's gone soft we will get rid of. And this will give us a great yield of onions later down the year. As you can see, the sun is just poking its head through, but we have got rain forecast for later. But I will still water these in, guys. And as you can see, they have plenty of room to grow. I'm just burying the bulb just below the surface, and it can... Now, that one there, guys, it's gone really soft. Okay, very soft. So we don't want to be planting that one. And it's a quick job that you can be doing now. Get them out. They're not going to mind a little bit of harsher weather, and we should be fine from any frosts now for the rest of the year. However, you know what they say, that until May is out, you know, you never know. Now I know I'm under the camera at the moment, but I'm just finishing this row while I'm here, and we can get on with the next bit, which is watering. It really is that easy, guys. Give them a good watering now. And there is one nice row of onions, all watered. And done. Well, guys, that's it. It's a short episode, I know, but I just want to show you how I'm getting the onions in. We will wood chip the paths either side, which will help to cut down weed and stuff, so that and it'll make weeding these areas very easy. I'm going to crack on now and get the rest in. Hopefully it'll go well for us all and we'll have cracking results. Question of the day: what variety of onions are you growing? Put your answer in the comments below. Anyway, guys, that's it for this episode. If you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, because that really does get it out, and share our videos with your friends. You know, let's grow this community together. Anyway, I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.